The state's highest court is now involved in the controversial arrest of Judge Hannah Dugan. The Wisconsin Supreme Court is indefinitely suspending Dugan. Fox 6's Bria Jones in the newsroom tonight with the details on the new order that came down just late this afternoon, Bria.
Good evening, Mary. Judge Hannah Dugan is facing 2 federal charges. She's accused of helping a man evade immigration agents. This suspension comes as her courtroom remains locked and a retired judge takes on her cases. The Supreme Court of Wisconsin issued this notice Tuesday, suspending Milwaukee County Circuit Court Judge Hannah Dugan indefinitely.
I think this is an indication that the Supreme Court takes this seriously and thinks it should not have happened.
In the order, the Supreme Court wrote in part, it is in the public interest that she be temporarily relieved of her official duties. UWM Professor Emeritus Mordecai Lee says the Supreme Court is using its governing power over the judicial branch.
I think we're all sort of surprised by this because we're not used to these kinds of unusual cases. Every once in a while, the state Supreme Court has to step in and has to discipline a judge.
Friday, the FBI arrested Dugan on 2 federal charges. She's accused of helping Eduardo Flores Ruiz, a Mexican national, appearing in her courtroom, hide from ICE agents. Dugan's legal defense team now includes nationally known conservative Paul Clement, who was raised in Cedarburg. In a statement responding to the suspension, her legal team says in part that the court acted in unilateral fashion. We continue to assert Judge Dugan's innocence and look forward to her vindication in court.
It seems to me that the decision that came today comes not based on I'm a de facto Republican or I'm a de facto Democrat. It was, what is the proper behavior of a circuit judge? What are the ethical guidelines for a circuit judge?
The Wisconsin Supreme Court says the order is effective until further order of the court. While this does not happen often, it did happen before the Wisconsin Supreme Court revoked the license of a former Milwaukee County judge, Brett Blumey, who was sentenced in federal court for distributing child pornography. Mary?
All right, Bria, thank you.